Okay, so you've seen through the show, Glenn and I have taken around many other stands where there's been some memjet technology. I'm here with Joseph Murguy from Caldera, who's going to take us through a demonstration of Fuji XEROX memjet technology.
So 580 square meter an hour at 1600 dpi by 1600 dpi, and the longest single file can be 30 meters long. And we are here.
It's just amazing.
Yeah.
And XEROX is here, and Japan is very quickly here. So we can print like here on a glossy paper, semi-gloss, as you can see. Look at the quality of the semi-gloss. So it's
stunning. Okay, so we have two rolls in each drawer. Two rolls this one, two rolls the lower drawer. Yeah, okay. Okay, and are the rolls automatic feed or manual feed?
Automatic.
Automatic feed, so you just choose it from the Caldera controller. Oh, fabulous. As you can see, this memjet printer from FX will print on a fairly broad range of medias. Uncoated papers, Tyvek papers, coated papers, polyester, canvas, opaque, backlit, pretty broad range. We should point out that this machine is currently slated to be sold in Asia Pacific and not in Europe, but another interesting example of memjet technology in action. And as you can see from the video, it's just incredibly fast. It really is quite an awesome technology.